Today I'm unboxing the Detox Market's December Detox Box, which is a clean beauty subscription box that lets you try high value products for a fraction of the price. Huge shout out to the Detox Market for sending this my way, but let's go ahead and get right into the video. This month features Manuka Health. First up is their raw Manuka Honey MGO 400 plus. It's incredibly potent and it's known for its natural antibacterial and healing properties. You can use it in tea, on toast, or even as a soothing skin healing mask. It's truly a great wellness staple. Next is the Eternal Renewal Nourishing Lip Balm with royal jelly and elderberry. This formula is all about restoring dry, depleted lips with rich nourishment. Royal jelly helps support cell repair, while elderberry adds antioxidant protection. The texture is silky, it's not sticky, and it gives your lips that long-lasting comfort, which is just perfect for winter. It's one of those balms you'll want to keep in your bag at all times. I use this every single night and honestly throughout the day as well. And then we have the Eternal Renewal Regenerating Eye Serum with royal jelly and bee venom. This one is designed to target fine lines, puffiness, and tired under eyes. The royal jelly deeply hydrates and supports renewal, while the gentle dose of bee venom helps stimulate the skin for a firmer, smoother look over time. It absorbs quickly, it layers well under makeup, and it gives the eye area a refreshed, lifted appearance. Honestly, it feels really nice. The bee venom was very interesting to me though. So that is everything inside December's Detox Box. This curation is over a $200 value, but you can get it for as low as $39.95 through the Detox Market's Clean Beauty subscription. So if you want to try it for yourself, the link to shop the Detox Box is in the description.